Hey guys, Petrified Forest. It's pretty sweet. I cut that log down years ago. It's good to see it finally hardened, turned into some petrified forest. Look, here's another one here. I cut that one down too, right? I'm like Paul Bunyan of the Petrified Forest.
He picked up his axe and he chopped a tree clean down with his forward swing.
All right, starting the Giroux camping adventures summer trip 2022. We leave in a couple days, but we're gonna try something new this year with the bikes and stand them up. Why didn't we think of that before? I always laid them down, but now we're gonna stand them up. Down, up, down, up. Let's rock. Here we go. Okay, where's the big spots?
We're at the Petrified Forest National Park. We're gonna go into the visitor center so we can look for Junior Ranger stuff, and then we're gonna take a really awesome drive through it back to the 40s so we can get going. Let's go. We're done.
Here we are at the Petrified Forest. Check it out, Giroux camping adventures. And we're at a quick lunch break. Cheese and bread. Oh, watch out for the crazy drivers. In here we got the cook. Say hey. Oh, don't talk with food in your mouth. Good tip.
Put that on there. All right, Junior Ranger.
As a Junior Ranger,
As a Junior Ranger,
I am responsible
I am responsible
to protect
to protect
national parks,
national parks,
national monuments,
national monuments,
the ants in the plant,
the ants in the plants,
and the bees in the trees.
and the future
So the future Junior Rangers
for the future Junior Ranger
can see what I saw today.
to see what I saw today.
Congratulations. Thank you. 25. Very good.
All right. All right. All right. All right.
What you got there? It's a watermelon hard cider. Look how cool this place is. It is called Junkyard on 66 Brewery. Very cool. Look at those clouds. And all the other Harvest Toasters.
Oh man. When we got this trailer, how many years ago? 2, we had Master Track tires, and this is the last and 4th tire that has done the same thing. So it's a bulge, you can kind of see it. Luckily we made it here, so I need to replace it with a spare. We got a 20-ton bottle jack and your jack stand. So here we go. This is a pain, but at least it didn't happen on the side of the highway. Okay, check this out. Where's the bulge? Where's the bulge? Did you find it?
Oh, it is.
It's right around in this area, but it's definitely not flat. Now I gotta get the spare. Flat along the top and no weird bulges. So this is a good one. But it's ugly and it doesn't match, but that's okay. Ugly still gets you there. Make sure you hand tighten first. That way you don't put it on with a tool and strip everything. Now it's impact driver time. Tighten them up, but make sure you do a torque wrench after. All right, I gotta get my torque wrench out. Oh. All right, don't forget to swap out your tire pressure sensors. This is the TST kit, so I took it off the spare, the now spare, the bogus tire. We're gonna just put it on here. And now it's good. Now leaving Junkyard on 66 Brewer. Oh, watch out for that doggy. All right, tight turn.
You going my way?
I am going your way.
Get in.
Funny you ask.
Good?
You're good.
Let's do this.
Is everyone good?
Good.
You dancing? Mommy's dancing.
It's so gross.
Look at this thing. It's so big. And look at the size of the look at those.
Hey guys, where are we?
At Cadillac Ranch.
All right, sweet. We're riding around Route 66 along I-40, and there's tons of cool stops along the way. Cadillac Ranch is one of them. You could buy spray paint and paint stuff. Look at all the layers of paint and rust. Ooh, what'd you make?
I don't know.
Oh, good job.
Oh, yeah.
What color is that?
You don't want to be close to the paint, okay?
Like this. Uncle.
Only on the.
We got the paint on the cars. That was pretty cool, guys. If you show up, you can buy paint, bring paint, and there's a lot of paint left over. So head on by
I got to use blue.
and paint some cars.
Hey, Caitlin, how do you think those cars over there got here?
I think a giant threw a tantrum and shoved them into the ground.
Here, we're at this awesome Texas rest stop, and you can park and stay, and there's a big farm field, and the kids found this cool rock area. Look at the cows.
The one with the horns has a star on his butt.
Star on the butt. Good old Texas.
The cow? Yeah, you like the cow?
Can you dance like her? Oh, it's the flailing people. Do the flailing thing.
That's a great horned owl.
What'd you find?
Birds. This one got bird poop on it.
Hey, good morning.
Special hug time. Okay. No, that's not the special hug.
Just saying bye from the Texas Travel Information Center. This was a great place to stay overnight. You can fill up your water in the information center when they open, and also the bathrooms are 24 hours, and it looks super cool. We'll pop up a photo somewhere. Off to the next stop. See ya.